to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala.
Let's go, brother, to the land of Aba Abdullah. Go and pack your bags, let's reach the land of Karbala. We cannot be late, we must go and catch our flight. Soon we'll be under the dome of Karbala's great night. This is Arbaeen, let's go do the Arbaeen. This is Arbaeen, let's go do the Arbaeen of our Imam Hussain. Let's perform the Arbaeen.
Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala.
Come and let us visit our first beloved Imam. Do ask him for our safety through the path of Islam. The start of our journey we walk past Wadi-us-Salaam. This is the biggest graveyard in the whole of mankind. Walk, walk, brother, walk. Don't get tired, you can walk. Walk, walk, brother, walk. Don't get tired, you can walk. The angels do record, and God will give us reward.
Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala.
Look at all of these servants of Imam al-Hussain, giving water to the walkers of he who was slain. In the whole world this is the most generous event. People, let us stay with them so that we can lament. Thank you, oh Allah, for this blessing, oh Allah. Thank you, oh Allah, for this blessing, oh Allah. For my heart to be near, so close to our Amir.
Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala.
Did you know every step we take gives us big blessings? 1,000 deeds we get and 1,000 removed sins. We have now reached the blessed land of our third leader. We ended in the land of heaven of our teacher. Labbaik Hussain, I am here for you Hussain. Labbaik Hussain, I am here for you Hussain. Every year inshallah I'll come walking to Hussain.
Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala.